I'm Dr. Kath and welcome to your medical theory video this month. This is the first yoga therapy medical theory video on your course. Hope you're all doing okay in these times that we're going through. I think everybody's lives have been turned upside down a little bit over the last couple of months, and there's been so many changes going on. We've all had our challenges, I'm sure, over the last couple of months. But it's allowed us to see things from a different perspective, and this course and learning yoga online is something really positive to come out of this whole situation. So thank you to Nyandev and Deepika for organising all of this, and also their generosity in making this course so accessible to us all. And of course I have to mention our friend Marcio for designing such an amazing online space for us to all come together. This is really new and exciting times, and I'm really happy and excited to be part of this course. It feels like the idea for the yoga therapy course has been there for a little while. And I think finally the time is right and things are coming together and we're all part of it. So really exciting times at the moment. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and getting involved in the question and answer sessions on Sunday. So as well as teaching the medical aspects of this course a little bit, I'll also be learning the yoga therapy alongside with everybody else. I'm learning quite a lot already, how to teach on video. This is all new to me. I've seen some of the work that's been prepared for this course though, and it looks really fantastic. So we're all got loads and loads to look forward to. We've also got a lot of work to do. So this course is going to be a big commitment and something that we're going to need to keep working on and practicing and thinking about over the next year. So I just wanted, if we can, to take a moment and just sit and take it all in before we start, just coming together. Hopefully you're sitting in a nice comfortable position, and if you want you can close your eyes. Let's just take a moment just to appreciate exactly what we're undertaking by being part of this yoga therapy course and this new way of learning yoga online. So maybe if you want you can think about your own motivation and your own intentions for the course. It might be that you're just looking to learn more about yoga and health, and maybe thinking about doing some yoga therapy in the future. Maybe this just feels like the next step in your yoga journey. So appreciate where you've come to get to this point. Maybe this course is for your own therapy at the moment, and we all need that from time to time, isn't it? So it's just interesting sometimes to think about our intentions and just observe where we are without any judgment or too much expectations. Just let go of any fears and worries and just set those positive intentions to really make the most of this amazing opportunity we have. And hopefully we'll come back to this practice whenever you want. Remind yourself what's important to you and your practice going forward in this course. Somebody said to me the other day, and I'm going to share it because it really kind of hit home with me a little bit, and I really like this quote, that your performance is your potential minus all the internal interference. So if you can keep your mind uncluttered and free from all those kind of negative thoughts, those self-doubts, all those distractions that we have in day-to-day life, we can do really amazing things. So when you're ready, just bring your hands to heart and then rub the palms together. After taking a moment, then just sweep over the face and then you can gently open the eyes. Thanks guys. So I thought I'd share a little bit of my background just before we start. So I'm a medical doctor. I made quite a last minute decision to apply to medical school, and I was quite naive, to be honest, starting out about how much work would be involved. I qualified in 2002 though, and then spent a couple of years working as a junior doctor in the hospitals on various departments, and also had a bit of time overseas. I qualified as a GP then in 2004. So I've been working in the NHS as a GP in practice for 16 years now. And I've been practicing yoga for over 20 years. It was something that I'd started during really busy times with exams and work. And then, something that I've just kept coming back to. I think, things got a little bit more serious with me with the yoga over the last few years. And 2 years ago, I decided to do my 200 hours yoga teacher training at the ashram with Nyandev and Deepika. I really loved the yoga practices, but I also loved all the philosophy and looking at the way that the yoga and the science come together. I've also gone on to study the Yoga Step by Step course, which is the original course from the Gittinanda tradition. And I've done some CPD courses looking at yoga therapy and Ayurveda and a couple of other things as well. So in these sessions, we're going to be mainly focusing on the medical theory aspects. I'm going to leave the yoga teaching to the experts completely. I'm going to be talking about different illnesses and trying to get a good understanding of what's going on kind of an anatomical and physiological level. But also as a GP, I'm really interested in the kind of more holistic aspects of what's happening on the kind of psychosocial levels. And I'm hoping to be able to share a bit of my experience in seeing patients as well, and really thinking about the aspects of therapy and these things that we as therapists need to know. So I've worked on some information to start with you, and you'll find some notes on back pain, which is a really sort of common issue that we see, and the spine, so there's lots of information on there. You'll have a chance to read through these notes online as well. So we're really, really lucky to have Jyoti teaching with us as well. She's a physiotherapist, and she's also got a special interest in back pain and particularly chronic pain management. She's doing lots of really good work in that area. So you're going to have some more information on a video coming from her, which is going to be really, really interesting, I think. Namaste.